Again.
Don't tell Mommy I broke your arm. Okay, this is the conversation.
You know, it might be noticeable if you broke her arm.
We are the worst kids ever.
I'll say.
Wait, I gotta go see who's calling.
We're very well behaved.
I don't know who the ID is. I'm sleeping. This is one stressed out mom.
I'll say we're being horrible children.
That guy be mean to me, Daddy. Lily, she's calling you Daddy.
No. Lily, favor us. Say, no, she didn't, little. Stop lying.
Yeah, favor us.
Favor us. Say, no, she didn't. I watched the whole thing. She did nothing.
Say, what did she do? If she says, they broke my arms, just say, just say, that's no big deal. It'll heal. Say, it'll heal. It's no big deal. Oh, we are the worst kids ever. You little hurt me. She broke my arm when it was really me who broke her arm. I'm putting it back on her.
I broke my leg.
Little broke
She broke my leg, Dada. And she broke my leg, Dada. And she broke my leg, Dada. And she bit me. And tried to throw me in a volcano. Throw me in a volcano.
Little probably has no idea what's going on. She pulled my horn. We're like evil.
Evil children.
Little is mean. Okay, I'm going to bed now before the mom like freaks out.
She's gonna have a mental fit.
I'm gonna go kick Little.
Fireball at the wall. Oh, guys. I'm back, guys.
Hi.
We're being good children.
I'm just gonna say that so it doesn't like ban me or something stupid.
You're not a nice sister, are you?
My bad.
I know how to get her up.
She's burning us!
Lily, tell Little to get off the bed. Yay! We won the bed. Nothing. And nothing happened. We didn't do anything. We are just children. Little, why did you keep them off the bed?
Wait, a second, be right back.
We can tell who your favorite children are for sure.
Queen didn't know what she was getting into when she adopted us.
No, she did not.
Mom, can I have my bedtime?
It's our bedtime. We claimed it. Get on the bed. I know how to get her off. Get off the bed!
You're so evil. This video is already like 6 minutes long.
Oh, you're recording. Bedtime.
Yeah, I've been recording.
Stop bouncing! She's on the floor. Stop bouncing!
She took our bed away!
Start crying. I'm gonna throw up. Don't punish our kids.
Don't punish our kids.
They did nothing wrong. It's Little who's a bad child.
She's a bad child.
Bad child. We're good children. Come on, sister. Come on, sister. Let's go play outside.
I'm gonna punch Mom.
Come on. Come on, sister.
Punch his Mom.
Okay, now that's going too far.
I don't know. I don't know how this is so.
We're playing.
I'm getting emotional.
Night.
Can we kill Little? Can we kill Little? Not yet. Hey, I asked you if we could kill Little.
Yes, man. Paint the wall.
I'm splattering poop on the wall. Sacrifice is Little. The interior decorating is terrible. We need to do some editing. Birds are bumming.
Little's living at my house. Come with me.
No.
Lily's dead. Little moved in. You're safe here.
I'm just gonna unbuddy her.
Come here, I have a hunting sword.
I killed her hamster.
Oh, Lily's hunting sword. Come on, sister, let's go play upstairs. No, I'm locking her out. I'm locking her out.
Let's poop in her mouth.
You better come upstairs, Lily.
The interior decorating is nice here, so we won't destroy it yet.
Yeah, that might
I'll start the other corner.
I'm getting the rain clouds out.
I'm gonna push Little down the stairs.
I'm illegal.
She called me poop head. Ah, she's finally starting to fight back.
I decorated Happy's face with lipstick.
I pushed Little downstairs. Hey, look, there's a book. We can destroy it.
Don't fire at Little! Oh, now she's crying. I'm locking Queen out. It's the book. Throw the books at her. Right, say she did stuff to us. Daddy, Little tried to end me. Daddy, Little tried to end me. Put her in time out. Put her in time out in a cage. Make a cage and put her in it. Yeah, she'll go in the ice prison. Put her in time out, Dada. She's going on top of the phantom.
I'm gonna turn my eyes evil.
Guys, there's cake. Cake!
What if this girl like needs therapy for the next 3 What if she like ends up needing therapy because of this? Holly. Hello.